If you want to cast the screen from your OPPO Find X9 to your PC, then in that case we can go to Settings. There we go. Now over here we can choose cross-device connectivity, and then we have the PC option. Now in this case we need to get the OPPO Connect app on our computer, whether it is Windows or Mac. And you can get it by going to connect.oppo.com. Just open the website in the browser, choose for PC, and then you can download for Windows or for Mac OS. Once you install the app, you will have to sign into your OPPO account. So you need to use an OPPO account to be able to, of course, do that. And next we're gonna tap on Add a Device over here, and then we can either scan the QR code or connect via USB. Or what you can also do is on your phone, you can go to Add New Device, and then we can scan for available devices, including your PC. In my case, I already connected before, so I can just reconnect over here quite easily. There we go. Now on the computer, we can go to Screencast on the left side, and then we have Cast Now option. And there we go. Of course, we need to allow screencasting on our phone, and it looks like this. So we can allow casting the entire screen. Let's go ahead and do so. And there we go. Now, as you can see, we have the information how to manage cast, and we have the information about privacy, but we can easily do anything pretty much on our phone from our computer. Simple as that. Of course, if you want to close it, we have this X, we can just close it. It's pretty simple. Here we can also pin the view. We can also take a screenshot if we want to. So let's go ahead and close it. Over here we have these three dots that allow us to adjust the resolution, I believe. There we go. We can also choose the sound output, and we can also check shortcut keys. And we can also cast specific phone apps over here as well. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.